So in this part of the tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Joomla on your system. To install Joomla on your system, the first thing we need to do is to download Joomla from their website. So you open your web browser again, open another tab and type www.joomla.org. This will take you to the official website for Joomla. Like we said in the earlier chapter, Joomla is a content management system. Okay, so when you get to their website, this is what the website looks like. When you get to the website, you go to the option for download and then you click on 2.5 full package. Okay, when you click on 2.5 full package, you scroll down and then you see download Joomla 2.5. so you click on it and then you download it. Already, for the purpose of this tutorial, Joomla has been downloaded, but please take note that whenever you download directly from their website, it will be coming as a zipped folder and you will need to extract the folder. But anyway, if you don't know how to extract, we have already downloaded a Joomla version already, Joomla 2.5.9 version, and is in your exercise folder. We've already extracted it. But if you know how to extract, once you download Joomla directly from their website, you will need to extract it before you can make use of it. So let me just open the exercise folder on my system. This is a Joomla 2.5 extracted version. So all I need to do is I'll copy this, right click and copy. Remember that when I was installing my XAMPP, the destination folder was in my C drive XAMPP. So I'll go to my computer, double click on it, I'll click on local disk C, and then I'll look for XAMPP. This is XAMPP. I'll double click on it to open, then I'll double click on htdocs and then paste my Joomla folder here. Please ensure that the Joomla folder you are pasting in the htdocs is extracted, because if it's not extracted, it won't work. So make sure you are using the one in the CD that you bought. If you are downloading your own version online for one reason or the other, make sure that after downloading you extract it before making use of it. Okay, so after pasting the Joomla folder, the next thing to do is to rename the Joomla folder using the name of the database that you created earlier on. So I'm going to right click and rename this folder to the name of the database, which is B. So after doing that, I'm going to go to my web browser and start my Joomla installation. I'll type localhost /b . Okay, so I can start my Joomla installation now. On this page, I'll just click on next. Pre-installation check, click on next. License, click on next. Now when you get to database configuration, the database type by default will be my SQLi, so just leave it like that. The host name will be localhost, username will be roots, password you leave it blank. For the database name, you use the name of the database you created earlier on and then click on next. You leave the FTP configuration, you don't have to do anything here, so just click on next. Site name, I'll just type B Global Technologies. My email, I'll be using my email, so if you have any issues you can send an email directly to this address. And then my admin username will be admin. The admin password, I'm going to use a password of my choice. Now please take note of your admin username and password, because this is what we will be using to access the admin backend of Joomla after installation. So after this, I'll click on next. So finish. Congratulations, Joomla is now installed. Now please remember to completely remove the installation folder. So if I click on this button, it will help me remove the installation folder. So installation folder successfully removed. So if I click on sites, it will take me to my Joomla website front end. And if I open another tab and type localhost /b/administrator, it will take me to my Joomla admin backend. Now let me quickly make an explanation here. If you are going to be designing another website for another company, say Global Technologies Nationwide, you will need to open another tab, type localhost /phpMyAdmin, create a new database, maybe global. This is if you are designing for another site, another company. Now click on create, then you repeat the process again. Copy the Joomla folder from your exercise folder, you copy it again, go to your XAMPP htdocs and paste it there, then you rename it to the name of the new database you created. That is if you are designing for another company. So anytime you are creating a website for a new company, you always create a database, copy the Joomla folder, place it in the htdocs folder, and then rename it to the name of the database that was created. And then you now go to your web browser and type localhost / the name of the database to start the installation. I believe that is clear enough.